Hi everybody, I really quickly just wanted to show you how Google Classroom and Google Slides sort of go hand in hand. There's a couple of people missing a couple assignments on Google Classroom today, so I wanted to just sort of go over that really quickly with you so that you can best help your kids tomorrow. So what you're looking at right now is the Google Classroom view of a student for tomorrow's work, okay? So like I said yesterday, I think it would be most helpful to sort of have one tab of the slides open and the one tab of the classroom open at the top of your browser, just so that you can kind of work off of each one at the same time. So if I scroll down through my presentation here, there's my morning video, there's the daily affirmation and picture, schedule, class code. So then when you get to this tab that says morning work, it says complete assignment on Google Classroom. So I'm just going to jump up here to the Google Classroom tab, going to click on what says morning work, okay, and then it brings you right to the Google form. So you can click on the Google form, and you can actually type your answers right into these little boxes right here. So when I'm writing the number in expanded form, 315, I'm going to write something like 300 plus 10 plus 5. Why is it not doing that for me? Okay, I got to fix this on my end, I guess. So I'll make sure I fix all of these for tomorrow. Then when you go down all the way to the bottom, after the whole form is filled out, you're going to click submit. So then once you submit it, I will get a copy of the response, and then I'll know that it's completed. All right, so I'm going to exit out of that. When you go back to the slide again, the next thing that comes up is investigations or math. So I taught the actual lesson, and it's recorded in a video for you right here. So the kids can watch this first, and then again, go back to the Google Classroom, and you're gonna click on the math link, which is not available yet to you because it won't be active until tomorrow. So on my end, you'll see that for Tuesday, March 31st, I have story problems assigned and comparing again with addition. So that's assigned for tomorrow. You won't see that on your end until tomorrow. So that's why it's not showing up on the student view. So we'll skip over that one. Same thing for all the rest of the lessons on the presentation for tomorrow. So there's foundations. When you go to the classwork view, sometimes there's going to be things for foundations and sometimes there's not. So for foundations, mostly the whole entire lesson is just going to be right in the Google slide. So they can start off by doing drill sound. The word of the day tomorrow is something that's going to be on Google Classroom. So like we said before, they can click right on foundations, and they're going to complete the exercises, which is in Google Slide for tomorrow. So they can actually manipulate this document right as they go along. So it's going to copy the slideshow for each individual student and then send it back to me. So they can actually click and drag and do this assignment right on Google Slides. So if you notice, if you click on the next one, you're going to be able to manipulate it yourself. So I can click and drag feet right in to match the picture. And then the same thing for the whole rest of the day. So as you go through, you're going to see that the slideshow matches snack break, writer's workshop. The actual writer's workshop lesson is, again, in the slide for today. So click on it. And then when you go back into Google Classroom, same thing. You click on opinion writing, and it takes you to the actual assignment. So this is a Google Doc. They can type right in the Google Doc, because again, it's going to copy one per student. And then when you're finished with that, you submit it by clicking share, which I'll show you that really quick, is right in the top right-hand corner of every Google app. So you can type in my email address and send it right back to me. And it's the same thing throughout the whole rest of the day. So as you go down through, sorry, I'm taking you all over the place. Scholastic News, they're going to read the article again and then complete this Google form. Make sure you click submit at the end so that I can see it on my end. Same thing for the comprehension check. Click it, complete this Google form, and then submit it. And then at the end of the day, list 3 things that went well. So they can just view the question and literally just click and type in, I liked doing Scholastic today. math went well, foundations went well, whatever. And then just click on this little post button right here, and that's gonna show me that the answer was submitted. So I hope this gives you a little bit more clarity in terms of what goes with what. If you have any questions or any concerns, definitely send me an email and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great night.